Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me and also visible, which is a crucial part. Content that you want to capture needs to be visible on your screen. Once it is, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up with scroll and send option, and after a moment it disappears. Now touching upon the scroll option, which was grayed out, the reason it was is because there's nothing really that I can scroll down on. So for instance, where you would be able to utilize this option is somewhere like in settings, where you can just scroll down, or Instagram, or any kind of social media where you just keep on scrolling down. So just to kind of demonstrate this, I'm gonna take it, and you can see that scroll is now accessible. It automatically starts scrolling. You can tap on the screen to stop it, and from there you can also grab it yourself and scroll down with a little bit more precision. I'm just gonna select done, check mark, and that's it. Now once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application right here. Now, your screenshot will be visible either if you just captured it right here at the very top, but if you want to find it later on, once you have captured some photos and other stuff throughout the time, it might be easier to locate your screenshots by going into the library right here at the bottom and then selecting screenshots, which doesn't exist. That's very interesting. Yep, it looks like it does not classify screenshots as anything special. Okay, so never mind. I guess I lied. So whenever you want to locate your screenshot later on down the line, you're kind of bamboozled and you just have to keep on scrolling down till you find them, because screenshots are basically placed in the same folder as normal photos. Have fun with that one. Anyway. So that's basically where you can find your screenshots and also how you capture them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.